up, Rockalaphone? What's up, Bob? Come here. Come here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good morning and welcome to the homestead. Well, it's a bright, sunny morning this morning. It's actually going to be in the upper 50s, and we have a warming trend coming in. So we're going to try and get some stuff done today. We have been here on our homestead now for 3 weeks and a day, and although our camper got stuck when we first pulled in, we've gotten a lot accomplished. I got both of our greenhouses up, we got our storage shed up, and if you saw our last video, our sawmill came in and we got that put together, and we're able to mill some lumber. So now that that is here, one of the things that I want to do, I milled up some 2-inch by 6-inch boards, and we are going to put those on the sides of the greenhouse and attach them to the frame, and then lag that into the ground with rebar to make our greenhouses more stable and less likely to get damaged in the wind. And that's what we're going to try to accomplish today. Come along with us. Let's see how it goes. What's going on, buddy? You ready to do some work?
Oh, what's the matter?
Did you get beeped?
I think so. I don't even have his.
I thought I heard it. Hey guys, how are you? Okay, we're over here at the sawmill. These are the boards that I have cut. They're 2x6, and they're not squared off at 10 feet. When I cut them out of the lumber log pile, I cut them about 10-6 to give myself a little room. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to square these all off at 10 feet. Then we're going to burn them. We're going to put a char on them. And that char is going to harden this wood a little bit. It'll protect it a little bit better from the weather, and it'll keep the bugs out of it for the most part. That's an old school way of preserving your wood and hardening it up, and we're going to go with it. Alright guys, we've got all our parts made and cut and burned. Down here you can see we have our boards. Those are going to go on the outside like that. Then I have these 1/2-inch conduit straps, and what's going to happen is they'll go around this conduit, get screwed through the plastic to the board. Now that'll hold the plastic down, and it'll lock the frame to the board, and then on the outside we're going to bang rebar in and strap that to the outside of the board to anchor it all in. Alrighty guys, we are back here at our house build site. You can see my fine foundation pilings right here, and back over there is the greenhouse and the sawmill and the camper. So what we have is we have these pieces of rebar sticking up, and they need to be cut off anyway, so I'm going to use this to anchor our boards on the greenhouse. Alright, that project
It's done.
It's almost done. A little teeny bit more.
Yeah.
You saw me banging in the rebar. The conduit clamps, they don't snug up against the rebar the way I want them to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some strapping, and I'm going to put some strapping over it. And that'll suck it right in nice and tight. But other than that, that project is done.
Yeah. It helps a lot because it holds it down. It's definitely more sturdy. It's
more
not gonna
sturdy.
just blow away.
And even with the doors open, when the wind blew, this all bellowed out, and it's not bellowing anymore.
No.
I think we're in good shape. We are going to put the strings that help hold it down, because that'll give it some security at the top.
Yeah, we have some.
These strings here.
Some anchors.
Yeah. Oh, choking Missy.
So. Alright.
Alright, so that's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out on the homestead with us today. We really hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell to let you know every time we got a video coming out.
Alright, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.